Hey guys, I'm Mickey here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you Butterfly Knife from Team Fortress 2. Spies Butterfly Knife from Team Fortress 2. Actually works here, see? Flips open. And flip closed. Sorry, it's pretty hard to do it for me. I use these blue ones. If you have the yellow ones, those work a lot better. This is the only blue ones I have, okay? I'm going to show you how to build it in 1 second. Alright guys, I'm back, and here's what you're going to need. You're going to need these. Doesn't matter what size you need. Doesn't really matter. And you actually need these. Ones. That's what else you need. But you take one of these, put it like that. Put that right there. Put another one right. Sorry, hold on. It's hard for me to do this because I'm using one hand. Just gonna use my foot to hold it. Kick it up. No, that's not looking. There's no house one. Okay. Take the black one, any color. The amount of size it's gonna be. It's contour to your hand like I did. I used a 13 one. Take this green one. And take sorry, get my phone. Take the blade, whichever color you want. I use green because I like green. And put it one above. See like that so far. And put the last ones, you know where. And this last yellow piece. And one for my brother, but he's a little smaller than mine. Is see? Comes back to bite you with the okay. I take this. Like that. I don't know how you do it because I don't have my pieces. Flip it. Sorry guys, I'm watching a funny show. You came out in the background, I'm very sorry. Flip it over. Sure, no problem. Who should make it happen? Okay. Take that, and that. My dad thinks I overthink things. I don't overthink things. I think about a lot, yeah, but that's... Alright, now you put it anywhere you want. I just try putting it right here. Right here, okay? So now you're on Team Dad. Look at you. You kidding me? You got it going on. Trend-setting glasses and a no-fuss ponytail. See? Yeah, what do you call that? Avoid me sheep? Put the same way. See? Now you can see the level messing up. You heard that monkey overlord. He wants us to peel away all our worldly possessions. I'll go first. Number one, don't be intimidated by my freedom. Your freedom is just as good. Sorry, I'm not talking a lot, guys. I'm a little tired.
Dad was right.
And the last piece. There you go. See? Finish your butterfly knife. There you go. And that's how you build your very own butterfly. Bye.